planning to purchase the best smartwatch in India under 5,000 rupees? And are you confused about which smartwatch you should purchase? Because there are many smartwatches under 5,000 price bracket available in India. Well, the traditional analog and digital watch days are gone. Now everyone is switching to the increased use of a smartwatch due to their multifunctionality and because they are now available at a very affordable prices. And that's exactly why in this video I'm going to showcase top 5 best smartwatches in India that you can buy right now. So guys, this is Sulaiman Khan and let's start. Kicking off the list with Treed Aviate smartwatch priced at rupees 3,799 rupees. The Treed Aviate smartwatch is essentially a fitness tracker that takes design cues from the premium watches. This budget smartwatch is IP68 certified for protection against water and dust and comes fitted with a heart rate sensor and a SpOT monitor. These features are usually seen in premium fitness trackers priced much higher than the Treed Aviate smartwatch. Additionally, the watch supports 8 different sport modes and promises to last for a week on one full charge. These features sound impressive for a budget smartwatch that comes just under 4,000 rupees. For design, the Treed Aviate has opted for a circular dial instead of the square dial. The round form factor offers a more traditional timepiece design, which seamlessly blends with your attire. Two big improvements on the Treed Aviate are the slim bezels and an aluminium case. The gunmetal frame and buttons are made from aluminium, while the sensors and charging pins on the back are made from plastic. Despite the aluminium case, the watch still feels light and comfortable on the wrist but doesn't by any means look cheap. The 1.3-inch color touchscreen has a classic circular design which adds a premium touch to the watch design. The screen's touch response is decent, if not the best. The Treed Aviate smartwatch is pretty simple to use. Simply turn your wrist or press the physical button to wake up the display. Swipe down to see your messages and swipe up to see different home screens, which include step monitoring, heart rate counter, sleep monitor, your activity records, etc. The Treed Aviate smartwatch is backed by 200 mAh battery cell which can last up to 15 days depending upon your usage pattern. We have been using the watch with heart rate monitor on from last 1 week and the battery has drained around 50%, which is pretty good, so it's a must buy smartwatch if your budget is under 5,000 rupees. So the next one in our list is Realme S smartwatch. Realme S smartwatch is the latest addition by Realme in its smartwatch armory. The watch comes under an affordable budget that offers promising performance. The watch does look attractive thanks to the black round dial. The watch has a round dial design that is wrapped with silicone straps. The watch is suitable for both males and females. The straps are interchangeable and you get numerous options to choose from. The watch has a premium metallic case that makes it durable. The watch is IP68 water resistant to safeguard it from water splashes. The watch has a 1.3-inch always on display that is an auto brightness touchscreen. You get more than 100 watch faces to set on the display of your watch. The display is protected with Corning glass and can take minor abuses. The touch is responsive and UI is interactive that further eases your task of managing the tasks. The watch comes with a 390 mAh battery capacity that, as the brand claim, can work up to 15 days on one charge. It has a magnetic charging pin to power up the smartwatch. The always on display will reduce the battery life to 7 days. The look is one of the major selling points of the watch. The performance of the watch is no less than the look and offers you worth of each penny spent. It falls under the mid-budget segment that makes it the best smartwatch in this category. So the next one in our list is Noise Color Fit Pro 3. Noise Color Fit Pro 3 smartwatch with blood oxygen saturation, SpO2 monitoring and 14 sport modes has been launched in India. The smartwatch features a 1.55-inch HD TrueView display and is claimed to have a battery battery life up to 10 days. It has multiple customizable straps and watch faces. Besides blood oxygen saturation monitoring, the Noise ColorFit Pro 3 has 24/7 heart rate tracking and stress monitoring features as well. It is designed for fitness and lifestyle enthusiasts as per the company. Noise ColorFit Pro 3 is offered in jet black, jet blue, rose pink, rose red, smoke gray and smoke green color options. It comes with customizable and cloud-based watch faces with multiple swappable strap options with a variety of colors and designs. The smartwatch features a 1.55-inch HD touchscreen TrueView display with 320 x 360 pixel resolutions and 500 nits peak brightness. The Noise ColorFit Pro 3 can be paired with an Android or iOS smartphone via the NoiseFit app to avail of customization features such as cloud-based watch faces. Noise ColorFit Pro 3 has 14 sport modes and auto sports recognition features. It can track step taken, distance traveled, as well as calories burned. It has a 210 mAh battery that is claimed to have battery life of 10 days. It is rated 5 ATM resistant to water and has Bluetooth 5.0. The smartwatch can monitor blood oxygen, track heart rate 24/7 and track the user's stress level. Besides that, Noise ColorFit Pro 3 can also track sleep patterns in 3 categories: light sleep, deep sleep and REM cycles. The multiple sensors at the back of the smartwatch helps in the functioning of these tracking and monitoring features. As per Noise, ColorFit Pro 3 is available at a special launch price of Rs 3,999. So the next one in our list is TAG Verve. TAG is a well-known brand that launches smart wearables and audio accessories under budget price points. The latest smartwatch from this brand is the TAG Verve. Priced at under Rs 3,000, the TAG Verve is an affordable smartwatch in the already crowded smartwatch market segment. So let's start with the design. At a glance, the smartwatch resembles the Apple Watch in terms of design, with its square watch face and a button on the right side. The physical button on the right offers good tactile feedback and can be used for turning the display on or off and going back to the home screen. The TAG Verve case is made from zinc alloy, which feels very premium and sturdy, and this is the main reason why I bought this watch. Also, the weight distribution of the watch is quite good. It is little bit on the heavier side as compared to any other smartwatch in this segment, which makes it feel premium. The TAG Verve smartwatch has 1.4-inch 320 x 320 pixel TFT LCD color touch display and offers multiple watch faces. The smartwatch is compatible with smartphones running Android 5 and above and iPhones running iOS 9 and above. It has an accelerometer, gyroscope and optical heart rate sensor. It has IP68 water and dust resistant, which means it can survive exposure to water at a maximum depth of 1.5 meters for up to 30 minutes. So overall, it's a quite decent watch that will get the job done, and also it is one of the cheapest watch from our list, which you should definitely buy. So the last one in our list is NoiseFit Fusion. NoiseFit Fusion, the name itself suggests that we can expect a fusion of two or more than two things. Yes, you guessed it right. NoiseFit has fused class and technology to give you the best smartwatch in this segment. This stylish smartwatch by NoiseFit offers you some handy features which you would not want to miss. The watch is made up of stainless steel combined with sapphire glass, giving it a long-lasting factor. The small 39mm dial fits well and looks pretty on the wrist when you put it on. 18mm skin-friendly straps along with an adjustable clasp mechanism makes it an ideal fit for every user. A crown button on the side of the watch has been given to control all your activities. The watch is available in 3 trendy colors, out of which vintage black is my favorite. Moving towards the display size of the watch, it has a full capacitive touch display of 1.22 inches. The build quality of the display seems sturdy and can take up minor abuses. The watch has an always on display which is coupled with mechanical hands that looks classy whenever you look at it to check out the time. You get multiple digital watch faces to change according to the occasions. The watch comes fitted with 200 mAh battery that can offer you varying usage time depending on the usage mode. If you are using the watch in smart mode by activating all the sensors, then the watch will stay awake for 3 days. If you choose to use the watch in analog mode with basic functionalities, then the watch offers you a usage time of 20 days. Following things being said, it is apparent why this watch has topped our list of best smartwatches under 5000. If you are a guy who wants to enjoy a classy look with smart features, then just go for this watch. So guys, which of the above smartwatch you are going to buy first, or you like the most? Please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more future updates like this, please do considering subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.